Step by step.
Crayon steps. At home, at home. At school, at school. I am at home, I am at home. I am at school, I am at school. I am not at home, I am not at home. I am not at school, I am not at school. Experience Crayon Steps, the most innovative English textbook for kids.
Step by step.